What if you could create dozens of images at once with Gemini instead of generating them one by one? In this video, I'll show you a simple way to create bulk images in Gemini, saving you tons of time and making your content creation much faster. You can use this method to generate multiple images for social media, YouTube, blogs, or any project in just a few clicks. Let's see how it works.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see this is the extension by which you can generate unlimited AI image by Gemini, and I already created another extension for ChatGPT also. This is the for extension ChatGPT. Here you can see by ChatGPT also you can create unlimited image. Select the aspect ratio, then simply click on this generate batch. And I created another extension for Pinterest. This is the extension. Here you can see Stropin. Just you need to on this extension, and here you can see different stat of every pin, like share, pin, comment, or publish state. You can see publish state of this pin, so you can analyze any pin easily, and you can also download from this extension. Here you can see download button of every pin. So just visit my YouTube channel homepage. You will find some awesome useful content. I upload daily one video. I already recorded a video about how to use ChatGPT unlimited batch image generator video. Just go to my YouTube channel homepage, you will find that video, and I will also give that video link in this video description. Just go to gemini.google.com, then simply click on this three dot, then click on this extension, manage extension, turn on this toggle on developer mode. By default this is turn off, so we need to turn on this, and here you can see load unpacked. Simply click on this. Now select the folder. Here you can see Astro Gemini bulk image generator. Select the folder where your extension is located. Now click on this select folder, and here you can see our image is added, Astro Gemini bulk image generator. Now we need to pin this extension. Simply pin this Astro Gemini, and to get completely free this extension you need to complete 200 like on this video or 1K views on this video. So hit the like button on this video. Now simply click on this Astro Gemini extension. Here you can see you can adjust the size from here. You can also turn on dark mode, light mode, and simply you need to paste here your prompt, one prompt per line. You can also import prompt in TXT file, CSV file, and then simply select the aspect ratio. Then you need to connect me on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, and for the more tool just visit this website techpolestar.com. Now let's copy the prompt from ChatGPT. This is the ChatGPT prompt. Simply copy this. Here you can see my conversation, give me 10 image generation prompt, each line one prompt. Simply copy your image generation prompt, then go to Gemini, adjust this, paste here. Now you need to format this. Now here you can see I format every prompt one line and 10 prompt. Now scroll down, select the aspect ratio of your image. I will choose this 16:9. You can also upload reference image. Here you can see you can upload up to 8 images for the reference image. Simply select the reference image. After add your prompt, select the aspect ratio, upload reference image if you need, then click on this simply generate batch button. Now here you can see our first image is generating. And this is the completely free Gemini account. You don't need to add your card detail or anything, and our first image is generated and automatically downloaded also. Now it's generating second image. Here you can see 2:10. For premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. Here you can see our second image is also created and downloaded. Now it's in a 3, here you can see, and this is, and for this you don't need anything, just leave this tab. Our third image is also created. Now generating fourth image. If in case some prompt failed to image generation, then you can also retry button. Here you can see this is the retry option. Just click on this retry. Now our fifth image is generating out of 10. Here you can see also a stat. Here you can see 4/10 done. Our fifth is also generated. Now I will do this video fast forward. By this way you can create unlimited AI image without much hassle or card detail or anything. Now the last image is remaining. Here you can see generating 10 out of 10. And the last image is also completed. And here you can see finished 10 image generated. You can also see the stat from here. And our all image is generated. And also automatically downloaded. You don't need to do download manually. And here you can see all the images. So by this way you can create unlimited AI images. Here you can see these are the images. And my account is not a premium or not anything. This is complete free Gmail account. I don't subscribe any Google plan. And if you need for extension 𝐂𝐴STROPIN or 𝐂𝐴STROGPT, then just watch my another videos. This is the 𝐂𝐴STROGPT and this one is 𝐂𝐴STROPIN.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.